Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
In this video, we are covering Jubail Mangrove Park.
Join with us.
Join with us today.
Jubail Mangrove Park is a protected mangrove forest located in Abu Dhabi. Entry fee for adults is 20 dirhams and 10 for kids. Prices may vary up to the activity you choose. Jubail Mangrove Park, located in Jubail Island, Abu Dhabi, 15 kilometers away from Abu Dhabi city. Ideal months for visiting is October to April. Comparatively cooler weather and best time to visit is early morning or late afternoon for pleasant temperatures and better wildlife sightings. Sunset and sunrise views are perfect for photography and one of the most significant ecological sites in the region, offering visitors a chance to explore the rich biodiversity. This park is open to the public in 2020. The park is dedicated to conservation, education, and ecotourism. Guided tours are also available for those who are interested in a deeper understanding of the ecosystem. The activities include scenic boardwalks, kayaking, paddleboarding, and educational exhibits. A 2.3 wooden boardwalk allows visitors to walk through the mangroves, observe wildlife, and enjoy nature. Visitors can explore the waterways and get a closer look at the mangrove trees. It's a great spot for photography, birdwatching, and environmental awareness. Jubail Mangrove Park is not a fully man-made forest. It's a natural mangrove ecosystem that has been protected and enhanced for conservation and tourism. However, efforts have been made to restore, expand, and protect them through reforestation programs and sustainable ecotourism initiatives. So, what's a mangrove? Mangrove forests are vital ecosystems that supports marine biodiversity, protect coastal areas, and fight climate change. And it acts as a biodiversity hotspot. Provides a habitat for fish, crabs, shrimp, birds, and endangered species like Bengal tiger. And these are the specialties of mangrove forest. Mangroves filter out excess salt through their roots or excrete it through their leaves. Many species develop stilt roots or nematophores that help them absorb oxygen in waterlogged soil. Mangroves can withstand fluctuating water levels, stabilizing coastlines against erosion. Mangrove forests absorb and store large amounts of carbon, playing a crucial role in mitigating the climate change. Deforestation, pollution, climate change, and illegal logging are threats to mangrove forests. There is different conservation efforts are happening around the world to restore these plants. A boating service is set to start at Jubail Mangrove Park next week, as of the time of this video recording.
Maybe by next week. Last time when we visited, no. From here it's further. Can even live from there. Yeah. From here there's a channel that goes up to sea. From there you can go to Yas, you can go to Sadia, you can go anywhere.
Meow. Meow. Bye.
That's a wrap for today. We hope this video is informative and enjoyable. Please subscribe to our channel. See you in the next adventure. Till then, bye.